Alright, we're going to start with number 7 on 9.1. Alright, 7. Alright, 7 tells us we have x squared minus y squared equals 9. And it also tells us that x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, so we're using substitution. So I will take this bottom one and I'll say x is equal to y minus or y plus 1. Alright, and then I'll take that stuff right there. X is equal to y plus 1. And I'll take that y plus 1 and put it there for x. Now this will be a little bit trickier because you have to remember how to square a binomial, which is an often made mistake. Okay, so remember when you square a binomial, you're really foiling it. It follows a special pattern, so it's one of our special products. You get y squared plus 2y plus 1 minus y squared is equal to 9. And so the y squareds cancel. You get 2y plus 1 is equal to 9. Or you get 2y is equal to 8. Or you get y is equal to 4. Now if y is equal to 4, we know x is equal to 4 plus 1. So x is equal to 5. So we have a solution 5, 4. That's 7. Let's take a look at 9. 9 says we have y is equal to 2x squared and y is equal to x to the 4th minus 2x squared. Okay, so we're looking at two equations. They're both set equal to y. Alright, these are both set equal to y, so I can set them equal to each other. Alright, and then I bring everything to the same side, and I get x to the 4th minus 4x squared. I can factor out an x squared. I'm left with an x squared minus 4. And then the x squared minus 4 factors as x plus 2 and x minus 2. You got 0 there. So my solutions are x is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to positive 2. And so we get x, we got y, we got negative 2, 0, 2. And if we plug those in, remember y is equal to 2x squared. So doing that, I get 2 times 4, I get 8, I get 0, I get 8. And so what are my solutions? My solutions are negative 2, 8, 0, 0, positive 2, 8. Okay, that's it for the substitution. 11 through 14, we do graphically. Okay, so remember when we're doing things graphically, our first step is to get y by itself. So we have 2x minus y is equal to 10. We have x plus 5y is equal to negative 6. And so I need to get y by itself in both of those. So when I do that, I take that first equation. The first equation is a lot easier to do. Okay, because I can just add the y to one side and subtract the x. So 2x minus 10 is equal to y. This one's a little bit harder. We get 5y is equal to negative x minus 6 divided by 5, and so you get y is equal to negative x minus 6 over 5. So once I have those, I go to my calculator and I go to y equals. Alright, and I want to put in 2x minus 10. Oops. 2x minus 10. And then I want to do in parentheses negative x minus 6 close parentheses divided by 5. Okay, I probably want my standard window. My standard window is zoom 6. Alright, I have an intersection point right here, so I'll go to second trace, option 5, and first curve. You can see them right there on the blue line. Okay, so I hit enter, goes to the red line, hit enter, and then guess. They only cross once, so we don't have to be too particular. So I get the solution for negative 2. Okay, that's 11. Let's look at 13. Is y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. Y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Thankfully, y is by itself in both of them already. So I just need to go to the calculator and plug those in. So again, I go to y equals, I clear both graphs, both equations, and then I get 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. And I get x squared minus 4x plus 3. And I hit enter. Now again, probably the same window, zoom 9. Looks like that. Oh, looks like we might have 2 intersection points. One here, maybe one there. I can't tell, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my window. My X max, I don't really need to have anything past negative 10 to positive 10 is fine, but my Y min, I'm going to go from like negative 3 to 20. Let's look at it now. Oh yeah, it definitely crosses here and here. So 2 intersection points. Do second trace, option 5, blue line, enter, red line, enter, and move your cursor to where it crosses, just so you make sure you find the right intersection. That one right there is the point 1.41 and negative 0.66. Okay, and then I want to do the same thing again. Second trace, option 5. Except for I want to move all the way. Whoa. I'm on the blue curve, hit enter. I'm on the red curve, hit enter, and I want to guess over there. Those cursors are, and there's my other one. It is negative 1.41 and 10.66. Those are your solutions for those graphically. 15 and 17 ask for the same thing. We'll pick up with those on the next set.